Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of mosquito killer lamps, those ingenious gadgets that promise to banish pesky bugs from our lives for good. Known affectionately as bug zappers or insect traps, these devices are the unsung heroes of the insect-fighting world. Picture this, a sleek, futuristic contraption sitting quietly in your home or garden, its mesmerizing ultraviolet UV light beckoning to unsuspecting insects like a siren's call. With each flicker, it draws them in, hypnotizing them with its irresistible allure. But what happens next is pure genius. As the bugs approach, they meet their match, a wire mesh connected to a charged capacitor circuit ready to deliver a shocking finale. It's nature versus technology in a battle of wits, and let's just say the bugs don't stand a chance. Inside, a lone blue LED light serves as both beacon and executioner, illuminating the way for unsuspecting prey while sealing their fate. It's a symphony of science and innovation, all wrapped up in a sleek and compact design. It was quite disappointing we kept it switched on the whole evening, night until next morning, but no mosquito or fly wanted to sacrifice itself in this device. Despite its valiant efforts, our hero found that some mosquitoes and flies were simply too cunning to fall for its trap. Yet, as with any tale of triumph, there are lessons to be learned. Our intrepid explorer discovered that even the mightiest of bug zappers have their limitations, but fear not, for all is not lost. While it may not be the ultimate bug-slaying machine, this marvel of modern technology still holds its own. Use it as a night lamp, a conversation starter, or simply as a testament to human ingenuity. Just remember, even in its slumber, it holds a powerful charge. So approach with caution, my friends. So join us as we journey into the heart of mosquito country, armed with nothing but a killer lamp and a thirst for adventure. Who knows what secrets await us in the shadows? Only one way to find out. These lamps are popular because they offer a chemical-free and relatively safe way to control insect populations indoors and outdoors. However, it's important to note that they may not be entirely effective in eliminating all mosquitoes in an area, especially if the area is heavily infested or if there are other competing sources of attraction, such as standing water.